Hi and welcome back to the last part of this tutorial, how to make a halo top. We're going to work on the bottom part of the halo now, and as you know, it can be done in many different ways, but if you want just a basic straightforward way of 4 bars that holding the halo, we get started by duplicate edge. We'll have the edge, press enter. From the front view, you can pick up the arc direction at the start, allow room for the band because it sits on top of the band, give it a bit of a curve, enter, and it's done. Now you go to the revolving tool. In fact, you could apply the same thing to the other side, so you'll have the exact same angle. As you know, the top is angled a bit. There you go. So now you've got from the back two lines that takes exactly the same shape from the top and from the bottom. It's wise to close those lines, so from here to here and from here to here, and we'll join them all together. So you've got that, 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 and that line joined, and from front view we will revolve this, revolve rail, select that, select the rail, the axis is the center with the shift up. Now the reason it didn't revolve this is because it's going slightly over this center, it's uneven edge, so we can fix that by going with the edge inward. Doesn't have to be touching that part, and trim this and this, trim, highlight it first, click trim, and that will definitely now revolve nicely. Revolve around the curve. That's the curve. Axis is 0, and as you could see, it's a solid piece. If I bring back my analyze, it's telling us it's closed surface. Okay, and it's taking the shape of the top, so it's going to sit flush with the top. Now from top view, we draw a line for the cutter to cut in between, approximately from here to here, and I'll mirror that one from 0, enter, to give us the center. I'll get another line here to close it, and down the other end I'll just blend it to get a round end. They always recommend to have round ends, not pointy ends, for the printing. And this is ready now, but it's sort of down on the C-plane. We can lift it up a little bit and extrude it. One side, top view, array, polar array, 0, enter. We need 4, enter, enter, enter. Now, as you can see, this might be a slightly too big of a bar that we want to keep, so we can rely on the recorded history and narrow it down to however we want to by scaling the cutter. That should be enough. So now with the Boolean difference, select that, to be boolean by all that, and there you go. Now we can remove all the curves that we don't need, and Bob's your uncle. That was simple. There you go. So your halo is almost completed. For the front, we can go back to the ghost mode, run a claw from here to here, that's for the center, and go and pipe that claw. Uh, 0.55, that'll give us 1.1, enter, enter, enter. So from top view, that claw is here, and we can array 4 of them, or polar array 4 of them. Here, enter, and whether you want to leave them this way or you want to rotate them to the different angle, just rotate from here to here, and you can make the adjustment by taking one and fix it right between the claw, so that all the rest can be the same, but that's exactly for evenly spaced. Now if we go back to this arrangement, this is our parent. If we rotate that from here to and now if I want to adjust anything, I'll just adjust this one. If I take that to about this point, okay, it didn't update it because we moved them, so that doesn't matter, so at least we've got one right. So it's just lined up between the claw of the halo, and from top view I can go mirror, 0, enter, and mirror, both of them, 0, enter. With this arrangement you'll have more gap here than you do there, but at least it lines up nicely with the diamond. If you want, you can make that going in between the diamond, which will make the gap in here closer than in there. So sometimes you're stuck in the middle, you just got to average it the best way you can. That looks alright. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. It's really not that hard to physically create cutters. We've created the middle cutter, we've created the one in between, we have created a perfect mirror image surface there to hold the halo. This can be done in several pieces. If we change the layer of this to that, so you can have that part attached to the band that you make, and the top cast separately. That'll allow you to nicely polish the back, all sorts of things. It's great fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.